Previously, we covered how to select the input and output watch folders. Today, we will go through how to run the Watcher's AI text analysis in CaseGuard. The AI text analysis feature identifies all personal identifiable information in a document using AI for redaction. Combined with the Watcher, you can run the AI over multiple documents at once. With your Watcher named, folder locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, click the Add button. The Redact Document operation checklist will appear. Check the Perform AI Text Analysis checkbox. Now you should be able to select a file language to detect. We have over 30 languages to choose from, but I will keep it in English since my documents are in English. Click the Detection dropdown to choose what you want to detect in your documents, such as names and phone numbers, or you can select All. I'll select All and click Apply. Then click Save. As you can see here, we have 0 files in our input, so let's add some by opening the Watcher input folder. I'm going to add 3 files here and head back to the Watcher. Now you can see the Watcher recognizes there are 3 files to process and begins processing them. Now if we have both the input and the output folder side by side, we can see the flow of the process. Files added to the input folder are processed, and then the processed file is exported to the output folder. The original file is moved to the processed folder. Now if we open the processed file in the output folder, we can see the AI text redactions were applied. Hope this helps!